The SAP Certified Professional Solution Architect SAP BTP exam has changed. This is no longer a theory-heavy certification where memorization alone is enough. The updated exam uses AI role-plays to assess how you design enterprise solutions, select architectures, create integration strategies, and solve business challenges using SAP BTP. If you're preparing for this certification and want hands-on exam practice, this video is for you. By the end of this session, you'll experience the same type of performance-based tasks used in the new exam format. An AI examiner will present a business scenario, ask follow-up questions, and evaluate your architectural decisions across areas such as solution design, integration, governance, and business alignment. Rather than reviewing theory, we'll jump straight into a realistic exam scenario. Let's begin. Scenario 1. Enterprise Transformation Architecture. You are the lead SAP BTP solution architect for a global manufacturing company. The customer operates multiple SAP and non-SAP systems. Leadership wants a scalable cloud architecture that supports future AI initiatives, analytics, and business process integration. As the architect, what is your first priority? Architect response. The first priority is understanding business objectives and translating them into a holistic solution blueprint. A certified SAP BTP solution architect begins with business outcomes, then aligns architecture, governance, integration, analytics, and application requirements. Technology selection comes after business alignment. AI examiner. Follow-up: why is business alignment important before architecture design? Strong answer: because architecture decisions must support measurable business value. Without clear business objectives, solution design may increase complexity, cost, and implementation risk. Scenario 2. Integration strategy. Design. A customer needs to connect SAP S/4HANA, multiple cloud applications, and several legacy systems. They want a scalable integration model that supports future growth. As the solution architect, which SAP BTP capability becomes central to your design. Expected architect response: SAP Integration Suite should be positioned as the core integration layer. It provides a unified integration strategy across SAP and non-SAP landscapes while supporting long-term scalability and governance. AI examiner. Follow-up: why is a centralized integration strategy preferred? Strong answer: centralized integration reduces architectural complexity, improves governance, standardizes connectivity patterns, and simplifies future expansion. If you're preparing for the new SAP AI Role-Play format, practice is essential. You can explore additional SAP exam simulations, SAP hands-on practice, and SAP scenario-based questions at pass4success.com. Now let's continue with another architect-level scenario. Scenario 3. Data and Analytics Architecture. Executives want enterprise-wide analytics across multiple business units. Data currently exists in isolated systems. The organization needs trusted reporting and strategic decision-making capabilities. What architectural recommendation would you make? Expected architect response: design a unified data architecture leveraging SAP Business Data Cloud and enterprise analytics principles. The objective is to create a trusted data foundation that supports business reporting, AI initiatives, and cross-functional insights. AI examiner. Follow-up: what business value does this provide? Strong answer: improved decision-making, reduced data silos, increased reporting consistency, and a stronger foundation for future innovation initiatives. Scenario 4. AI adoption strategy. A customer wants to introduce AI capabilities into existing business processes. Leadership expects innovation, but is concerned about governance and scalability. How would you approach this requirement? Expected architect response: leverage SAP AI Core within a controlled enterprise architecture framework. The solution should align AI initiatives with business objectives, governance requirements, and long-term scalability goals. AI examiner. Follow-up: why should governance be included from the beginning? Strong answer: because AI solutions must remain secure, compliant, scalable, and aligned with enterprise architecture standards. Scenario 5. Solution governance and architecture review. A project team proposes a custom solution that delivers functionality quickly. However, it introduces duplicate integrations and inconsistent architecture patterns. What should the solution architect do? Expected architect response. Review the proposal against enterprise architecture standards and governance principles. The architect must ensure long-term sustainability rather than focusing solely on short-term delivery speed. AI examiner. Follow-up. Why is governance critical in large SAP landscapes? Strong answer. Governance reduces technical debt, improves maintainability, supports scalability, and protects future transformation initiatives. Scenario 6. Cost estimation and executive recommendation. A customer asks for 3 possible SAP BTP solution approaches. Each option delivers the required functionality, but differs in cost, scalability, and long-term value. What is the responsibility of the solution architect? Expected architect response. Provide a balanced recommendation that evaluates business value, cost implications, technical risks, scalability, and strategic alignment. The architect should help stakeholders make informed decisions rather than focusing only on technical preferences. AI examiner. Follow-up. What distinguishes a solution architect from a technical specialist? Strong answer. A solution architect balances business strategy, enterprise architecture, governance, integration, scalability, and cost considerations to deliver maximum business value. Today, you completed 6 realistic solution architect scenarios. You worked through key solution architecture scenarios similar to those assessed in the SAP Certified Solution Architect SAP BTP exam. To continue building your skills, explore our advanced SAP certification playlist for additional simulations, hands-on exercises, and consultant-level scenarios. For more AI role plays, timed assessments, and exam-focused training, visit pass4success.com. Keep sharpening your architecture and decision-making skills. In today's certification format, success depends on applying knowledge to real business scenarios, not simply memorizing concepts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next SAP certification training session.